Attention, FPV fanatics. Clear the airwaves because the classified intel on the DJI Avata 3 just broke wide open. This isn't a drill, it's a revolution in the making for immersive drone flight. Following the success of its predecessors, the Avata 3 is rumored to be a colossal leap, promising a blend of cinematic power and user-friendly features. Get ready for an exciting ride, and maybe start checking your savings account. This isn't just a minor refresh, we're talking about a rumored beast that's set to combine cinematic power with beginner-friendly features, making it the dream machine for both seasoned pros and those of us who occasionally fly headfirst into our own living room walls. Forget chunky. The Avata 3 is rumored to ditch the Avata 2's familiar shape for a slimmer, more aerodynamic frame. Imagine less drag, more agility, all while keeping those crucial ducted propellers for when your ambition, or a rogue gust of wind, sends you a little too close to obstacles. This sleek redesign could even push it under the magical 400-gram mark, a sweet spot for agility and potentially longer flights. But the real showstopper? The camera. Whispers are getting louder about a larger 1-inch sensor. This is huge. It means dramatically improved low-light performance and fantastic dynamic range, letting you pull out detail from shadows and highlights like never before. We're talking buttery smooth 4K video at 120 frames per second for epic slow motion and 10-bit D-Log M color support for serious grading in post. Plus, a wider 170-degree field of view promises even more immersive FPV perspectives. Your cinematic dreams just got an upgrade, even if your flying skills haven't. On the connectivity front, brace yourselves for OcuSync 5.0 05. This isn't just faster numbers, it's about rock-solid signals potentially stretching up to 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles. Crucially for FPV pilots, this new tech promises lower latency, meaning what you see in your goggles is happening almost instantly. No more guessing if that tree was just there, or if you've already become one with it. Expect new Goggles 3 Pro 2 with better screens and comfort for those marathon flying sessions. And let's talk battery life. The FPV pilot's eternal quest. The Avata 3 could push flight times from the Avata 2's 23 minutes to a respectable 26 to 28 minutes. Every minute counts when you're soaring. Plus, word on the street is improved crash resistance and repairability. Modular parts like snap-on arms. Yes, please. Fixing minor bumps yourself means less downtime and more airtime. A true blessing for anyone who's had a learning experience. The Avata 3 isn't just brawn, it's getting brains. Improved obstacle detection and avoidance, particularly for horizontal and backward movements, will make navigating tricky environments safer. This is perfect for the Avatar's cinematic and beginner-friendly approach. Imagine flying through a forest and the drone politely suggesting you avoid that giant redwood. Software features are also getting a boost. An advanced return to home (RTH) function, an updated motion controller with haptic feedback, and new features in the DJI Fly app, like better quick shots and an in-app editor, promise a more intuitive and enjoyable flying experience. Quick edits and instant sharing from your phone. That's content creation on the go, perfected. So, what's all this tech going to cost? The full DJI Avata 3 combo, drone, goggles, motion controller, battery, might start around $1,200. A standalone drone could be in the $600 to $700 range. Yes, it's a bit more, but these upgrades are significant. As for the release date, rumors point to late 2025, possibly in the fall, just in time for holiday wish lists. While none of this is etched in stone by DJI themselves, the buzz from leaked roadmaps and retailers is incredibly strong. The DJI Avata 3 looks like it could redefine FPV drones, bridging the gap between raw FPV excitement and polished cinematic results. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a content creator looking for smooth aerials, the Avata 3 is shaping up to be a compelling choice. Get ready, because the future of FPV is looking seriously bright. What are your thoughts on these Avata 3 leaks? Which feature are you most hyped for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.